Toolbox is a very popular project. One supplier of hardware said they sold 20,000 kits a year, and they are just one of many suppliers. Typically, the student buys the hinges, the handles, the pockets for the handle, and the reinforcements for the corner. They do some simple layout, make some simple bends, and weld or rivet the box together. On this toolbox, they do it all. Everything is made from raw stock. I have some pieces of scrap material. They use full-length pieces. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to notch to make the hinge. The other half, they have to start out with a spacer. And there's the notches for the hinge. We take the press bar. Now this is just a short press bar that I made up for this demonstration. And we use gauges. I want my students to learn about gauges. And to be honest about it, they couldn't do this job without gauges. They hook the gauges over there, push this right up against the work. The work is balanced. They remove this, and they bend the hinge. They do the same thing on the other piece. And that has made the bend. Now we turn the anvil, we turn the press bar over, we put the rod for the hinge, we close it, put the rod in the other one, we close it, we put the rod through both of the hinges, and we have our hinge. Now we're going to make some other bends. Get another press brake. We're going to make a hem. They do this to a line. I'm just going to make a mark anywhere. Turn the anvil. Turn the press bar. And they have the hem. Now we're going to make a 90-degree bend. Change the press bar. Turn the anvil. And we have a 90-degree bend. Put in a different press bar, and we're going to make a 90-degree bend, but it's on a radius. And if you will notice, one is a sharp corner, the other one is a radius corner. I told you that they make all of the toolbox. And so we need a handle. Here is the tool to bend the handle. They push the rod all of the way toward the stop, come down, do the same thing on the other end, pull it against the stop, and there is the handle. They usually have to do a little adjustment with put it in a vise and twist it because it comes out a little bit crooked. We need pockets for the handle, and this tool is used for that. They take the square, put it in here, and form it. My 3-year-old grandson loves to do that. And there's the pocket. They trim this to shape. They spot weld it on there. They spot weld the whole toolbox together, and on the bottom of the tray are these bumps. These are formed with a special tool on a drill press, using the drill press as an arbor press. When they get done, they paint it, and there's the toolbox. They make it all. No hardware to buy. They start out raw stock, and it costs less money to make this than buying all the hardware. It takes a student approximately 9 hours to make this toolbox.